Hey friends, if you wish to fix nvpcf.sys blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reinstall the graphics card driver. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first graphics card driver and update it. Right click on the second graphics card driver and update it as well. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The third solution is a malware scan. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool on your computer. Click on next, select full scan and click on next, and then it will start scanning the system. The last one is to check for updates. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.